Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli, da ka education loan, pila urban chukol ha number, khandai nyo, saw, san rin prano, lani khandai pran rio laisan, an riway khandai pran.
Heavens Cove Nature and Environment Protection Society haka khalai terik jembang arajar pulai kalapun ku puram ya ka Samla Rupda Lato ka Samla ka basa sor jawai halor ka jing Shah Jied jongka bandai shimenta ha ka jing kop thai bhabriu ka blatep kum ka aura international ka ban sapenlong mentau snam arajar pulai hanong ba Antalya Turkey ha kani ka jing pun ku puram u in charge librarian jawai uba wan prang Gaza u lalong kum kongsan katba u Dr. Everest Mersing u lalong kum u sembut kongsan ringkat ke jing sakilang jong ki bahyeng bahasem jong ka Samla Rupda Lato bat kinong shakhot ngobha ka Rupda Lato ka yok pediang ya ka jing pun ku buram na president jong ka Heavens Cove Nature and Environment Protection Society uba bari lalu bat na kinoy lam jong ka Kerman Foundation ha ka jing elang balapanya da ka kong simi khong tiang.
Aura International Miss Rupda Lato. A big round of applause to this beautiful lady here. Thank you so much, Mabari.
I'm very grateful to God and I feel very, very honored to be welcome and to be part of this family. The family here, it shows heaven's call. Ekublei hibun iya ikau simi khongtiam I belong ke kemi jong ke kena school jonga ke banglayolat banikai ai sing thap kti namar ke jing pediang borom jpi ke jing khot jpi bandan hande there's something more than that which is very special. I would like Marikwa Malalu to stand up, the father of this beautiful lady amidst us, Miss Rubaru Aura International Ikong Rupda Lato. Ngakan mau hagi por pangapuli ke philosophy, Indian and Western philosophy. Hashim ya ka thesis jonga banle ka philosophical interpretation jonga ka badai but aesthetic between God, man and earth, including human being. Tengai I bat ladang ale contextualize. But the jingya jonga ne ka thai samla ka thai babriu jonga ne ka reeb actually. Tibet Nature and Environmental Protection Society balapun kumpuram lane bala facilitate on this special day for her great achievement, which is a lifetime achievement. Ladangi contextualize kane ka jaga bala jerkerte Heavens Cove. Kane ka jaga habang iya nioi magade siya kataka polio ba tiang ka nyam bang ila banti leng ba gajik pabriu juga Henry pun nengi habangi pai sakit yang bersekamon ngilapen du yang jing pabriu juga A beautiful mother is sitting right in front of us, and she will be the witnesses for Meghalaya. Khamtam yang ni gari kasih penari ini. Nanta yang gari India, but nagakur kejat Lato, but kakur lalu pilak ibadan bau. Pilak khas spesial baika kakun kentei, dap sindrang, dap kentei, kebab habru, kebab miat kentei.
Emha wo uyo pi wanra pi yang jingjok, yang gari, yang sted, yang senang jual yang ini, but khamtam yang man pi kenuksa, yang kiwituan kikna keru yang ini. Ini ngah kajing yu juga kajing lain ki khamtam kajing interak dengan kajing itu kamu kini kikna keru ngayu, kikna keru yang ini posten yang kayu ini. Tak kiwa amtelan mah. Nado katem ngeput, nado kini ki artis ki nongdro, nado ini kerja modeling. But haji yu yang ato, nado am kalat kulti ni kan go etrin yiki kau miat, mut yu ato kini ki kena keru yang ye ki uyo kompet, uwa kiwi tuan ki. Kiwi tuan ki keru ne kiwi tuan ki di kepertai. Dan badangai juga kini kejingjok yang pi Rupda itu uman gua kenuksa ye kiwi tuan ye kena keru kena wakila lombayong pi uyu juga tak kila uji uyu kompet itu international level. But ngai kalau yang masnya serong bagi kan yang gua dawan rak yang ni kenam kepuram mat khamtam wadaman ki kenuksa ye kiwi tuan ki kena keru yang ini. The ekibokir yang ini pun, yang lagi besok de desain, belau melangkah upi. The but kamtam hawlai cuan amju meling yang belai mah. Eti kecil hau belai, but belai yang. The ngam kala macubun tin ini pun. The kubli kepang ekiura dua ini. Khamtam kawang ni ya kepe upara miss khamtiang mah kublai pun berpelai everything deni tin kriat kublai cigar.
So I would like to thank the chief guest and Sir Empress for being present here, and yeah, so I would like to share about my journey of how I've reached this far. So the organization that I got through was Rubaru Miss India Elite, and I undergo through several rounds of interviews. It was all online process. That's why like most of you did not see the process in my posts or in the news as well. So that's why everything was undergoing online, and I had like to go through several of rounds in which it was quite challenging for me, because there they tested my character, my personality and my behavior, because even though they say it's a beauty pageant, it's not only the outside beauty, right? Because beauty doesn't come only from the outside. If you're smart, that's beautiful. If you're intelligent, that's beautiful. If you're kind, that's beautiful. So I believe that even though it's called a beauty pageant, it's not only meant for the outside beauty, it's meant for the inside beauty as well. So I was tested with all these challenges as well in doing the rounds of interviews. And then finally, I got a call that I was selected as the Rubaru Miss India Elite Aura International 2023, and that I will be representing my state, Meghalaya, and my country, India, in the national and international pageant. And this pageant that I will be attending now in September 17 till October 1st will be the biggest pageant held in Antalya, Turkey. So I would like to say that I'm really proud and happy for this biggest opportunity that I've received in my life. And I will really not forget, the first person I would like to thank is God, because without Him, I will not be here. And through my faith and belief in Him, I believe that I've made it this far. And for my parents and my family, they are my biggest supporter, I would say.